What? No, no, please.
I am not going to ask you again. Get in the car. I'm so sorry. That wasn't my signature. I never received his report card.
I should have trusted my gut. I'll have a copy sent to you on Monday.
Thank you. And don't worry, I will make sure he gets the punishment he deserves.
Oh, I don't doubt it. Have a good weekend.
Does that mean I have to leave too?
Oh, no, honey. You go have fun.
Thanks, Mom. Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you mind if I see your board?
Sure.
Whoa,
That was so cool. I had no idea you could board.
I know a thing or two.
Do you think you could teach me sometime? I'd love to learn.
Yeah, of course, anytime. Should we go inside?
Yeah,